Hello everyone, Namaste. I am Munna Kahar, teacher of Joint School Family, and I am continuing your class 7 mathematics subject. Okay, so today we are going to deal our exercise 7.2. So some of the questions we have done in our previous class also. Okay, so in today's class also we are going to practice some more questions. Okay, so that it will be easier for you to do the exercise. Okay, so let's start. This video is totally directly depend on your textbook. Okay, so please prefer your textbook also, so it will be easy for you. So our question is, our first question, let it be a cuboid has total surface area 550 cm square centimeter. Okay, if its breadth is equal to, okay, if its breadth and height are 20 centimeter and 10 centimeter, find its length. Okay, so our question is, just I have replaced the numbers. Okay, I am not writing the exactly the same question, I have just changed the numbers. Okay, so a cuboid has total surface area 550 square centimeter if its breadth and height are 20 centimeter and 10 centimeter, find its length. Okay, so let's see what is given to us here. What is given to us? Total surface area is given to us. What is it? 550 cm square. Similarly, breadth is given to us 20 centimeter and height is given to us, that is 10 centimeter. Okay, and we need to find the length. What is the length? Okay, total surface area 550 square centimeter, breadth is given 20 centimeter and height is given 10 centimeter. We need to calculate the length. Okay, so let's do. So total surface area of cuboid is given to us, that is your 550 cm square. Okay, square centimeter. So we have the formula for total surface area, that is 2 in bracket LB plus BH plus HL is equal to 550. Unit will write at last. Okay, so I will transfer this 2 to right hand side. It is multiplying here. It will go to right hand side. It will divide. Okay, and the values which we know, breadth and height values we know, will just replace here. Okay, so what we will get? Length we don't know, length into breadth. Breadth is your 20 plus breadth is your 20, height is your 10. Okay, plus height is your 10, length we don't know, is equal to 550 divided by 2. So this 2 has moved to right hand side. Okay, and I have replaced the value of breadth and height in the question. Okay, so let's see. This is your 20 L plus this is your 200 plus 10 L is equal to, so now let's say divide here. How much we got? 2 2 is 4, 2 7 is 14, 2 5, 275. Okay, if you just divide you will get 275. Okay, so now let's, this 200 transfer to right hand side, it will be your 20L plus 30L is your, sorry, 20L plus 10L is your 30L is equal to 275 minus 200. Okay, so you got 30L is equal to 75. Okay, so now L is equal to 75 divided by 30. So you will get it. How much? Let it cancel. I will solve it here. Okay, in this side I will solve it. So length is equal to 75 upon 30. Okay, so now let's cancel it. 5 6 are 30. Okay, 5 1s are 5, 5 5s are 25. Okay, 3 2s are 6, 3 5s are 15. Length is your 2.5 centimeter. Okay, so let's see once again what is given to us. Okay, a cuboid is given to us whose total surface area is 550 square centimeter. Its length, breadth and height is given to us 20 centimeter and 10 centimeter respectively, and we need to calculate its length. Okay, so we have used the formula here. Total surface area of cuboid is 2 in bracket LB plus BH plus HL is equal to 550. Transfer this 2 to right hand side, it will divide. Okay, when 550 is divided by 2, we got here how much? 275. Okay, so now this 200 is transferred to right hand side, it will be subtracted, you got 75. Now 30L, here 30L means 30 into L, it is multiplying here, transfer to right hand side, it will divide. Okay, so divide, you can directly divide and write, or you can follow the cancellation, and last the lowest term you divide and write, that is your choice. Okay, so I hope this question you have all have understood. Okay, so for more practice, let me do one more question for you. Okay, so I'm just going to change the numbers. Okay, the questions are very easy. Okay, the total surface area of cuboid is 5200 square centimeter. Okay, if its length, and now length is given to us, length, if its length and height are 40 centimeter and 20. Okay, 40 centimeter and 20 centimeter. So now our next question is find air breadth. So our question is, a cuboid has total surface area 5200 square centimeter. If its length and height are 40 centimeter and 20 centimeter, okay, find its breadth. So I am going to jump some of the steps. Okay, so what is given to us, from there I will start. To us given is your total surface area of cuboid. Please you mention first your given things. Okay, that is your 5200 square centimeter. Okay, so I am going to use the formula. You please mention length is 40 centimeter and your height is 20 centimeter. After that you use the formula, just like in the previous question. Okay, so to save few seconds, just I am doing directly. Okay, so total surface area of cuboid is given to us 5200 square centimeter. So we have the formula for total surface area, that is LB, 2 in bracket LB plus BH plus HL is equal to 5200. Unit will write at last. Okay, we will transfer this 2 to right hand side and we will place the values whose value we know. Okay, so 2 has gone to right hand side. For length, we know the value of length is your how much? Length is your 40 centimeter and height is your 20 centimeter. This is your length 40 centimeter and this is your height. This is your length, this is your height. Okay, so in place of length I am going to place here 40 into B plus B into 20, because height is your 20, length is your 40. Okay, that is given to us. So plus length is our 40, height is our 20. Okay, is equal to 5200. Okay, what I have done here, I have just replaced the value of length and height. Okay, you put the values. Okay, now what will happen now? 40B, it is your 20B. Okay, so I have written as 60B plus 40 into 20 is your 800 is equal to 5200. Okay, so now 800 transfer to right hand side, it will be your 60B is equal to 5200 minus 800. Sorry, we have not divided here. Okay, 5200 divided by 2. This 2 I have transferred here. Okay. So how much we got? There is one minor mistake. Sorry for that. So let's divide here. How much? 2 2 is 4, 6. 2600. Okay. So now here 2600 minus 800. Okay. So how much we got here? 60B is equal to 2600 minus 800. That is your how much? 1800. Okay. So B is equal to 1800 divided by 60. So 1 zeros and 1 zeros is cancelled. So if you divide 180 by 6, you will get 30. So your breadth is your 30 centimeter. Okay. So let's see once again. So the question is, a cuboid has total surface area 5200 square centimeter. If its length and height are 40 centimeter and 20 centimeter, find its breadth. Okay. So length is given to us 40 centimeter and height is given to us 20 centimeter. We need to find the breadth of that cuboid. Okay. So total surface area of cuboid is 5200 square centimeter. So we have the formula for total surface area of cuboid, that is 2 in bracket LB plus BH plus HL. So is equal to 5200. So 2 is multiplying here. I will transfer this 2 to right hand side. It will divide. Okay. So 5200 divided by 2. We got here 2600. Okay. And here we have just put the values of length and height. Okay. So length is your 40, breadth is your B. Breadth is your B, height is your 20, length is your 40, height is your 20. Okay. So this is your 40B plus 20B is your 60B. 40 into 20 is your 800. Transfer this 800 to right hand side. We got 26 minus 800. That is your 1800. Okay. So 60B is equal to 1800. So 60 is multiplying here. 60B means 60 into B. Transfer to right hand side. It will divide. So 1 0 and 1 0 I have cancelled here. So 180 divided by 6 is your 30. So your breadth is 30 centimeter. Okay. So I hope exercise 7.2. After that exercise 7.2, there is one more exercise. That is a check yourself is written there. Okay. Check yourself. That exercise also you all please do. This question is from your check yourself. Okay. So to practice you all that exercise is given. Okay. So you all please practice that. I hope you can easily do all these questions. Okay. So thank you everyone for today's class. All of you stay home, stay safe. Okay. Thank you everyone.